Have you ever wondered why some women seem to age like fine wine while others lose their elegance along the way? It's not about wrinkles or gray hair. It's about what shines through as the years go by: posture, choices, and attitudes. The truth is, aging gracefully is an art, and many are making mistakes that steer them away from what truly matters. Are you on the right path? Take a look. Meryl Streep. At over 70 years old, she's living proof that time can be an ally. Her strong presence, serene gaze, and every word she speaks with purpose. Meryl doesn't strive to look younger. She radiates the confidence of someone who knows exactly who she is. Now, on the flip side, how often do we see women sabotaging their own beauty with the wrong choices? Whether it's excessive procedures, inappropriate clothing, or attitudes that reflect more desperation than confidence. True elegance isn't about what you try to appear. It's about who you truly are. So, what makes the difference? I'm Carol, founder of Lucrative Elegance, and today I want to talk to you about how to rewrite your relationship with time and yourself. I'm 39 years old and have learned, sometimes the hard way, that the secret isn't fighting aging, but mastering it with strategies few women know about and no one tells you. You'll discover what to do and, more importantly, what never to do so that time works in your favor. The Lucrative Elegance channel is now more accessible than ever. If you're outside the United States, you can watch this video in your preferred language. YouTube automatically adjusts the dubbing. The video's original language is English, but you can switch to subtitles in your language. And in the pinned comment, you'll find links to elegant products I use and recommend. Be sure to check them out later. If you want to learn how to be elegant, achieve success, and turn your elegance into something profitable, subscribe to the channel now, hit the notification bell, and leave a like. Elegance isn't a destination. It's a lifestyle, and yours can start today. Self-esteem and femininity. How to rediscover your sensuality with elegance and authenticity. Over the years, have you noticed changes in your body that challenge your relationship with sensuality? Perhaps your breasts no longer have the same volume or firmness, and your clothing and lingerie choices reflect this insecurity. Loose t-shirts, outdated bras, or even unsupportive tops may have become your go-to, but this path doesn't restore your confidence. On the contrary, it can create a sense of disconnection from yourself. Most women over 40 report a negative impact on self-esteem due to natural body changes. What many don't realize is that these changes aren't the enemy. They're opportunities to rediscover a new way of expressing yourself. The solution isn't trying to look like who you were before, but embracing who you are now with maturity, elegance, and intelligence. Choosing lingerie that offers support, comfort, and beauty is a powerful step toward reconnecting with your femininity. It's easy to fall into the trap of wearing clothes that hide or disguise while feeling a longing for that sensual energy you once had. At the same time, chasing youthful trends can send a message of trying to reclaim something that doesn't align with your current reality, creating a cycle of dissatisfaction. Sensuality isn't about showing more skin or wearing unstructured pieces. It's about showcasing your confidence. Well-chosen lingerie, such as structured bras with padding for special occasions, not only enhances your shape, but also provides emotional support. After all, feeling good is the first step to looking good. Replace desperation with strategy. Invest in pieces that naturally flatter your body and align with your essence. At some point, you may have set aside your aspirations to focus on raising your children and maintaining your home and family. It's an admirable choice, but it can sometimes leave a void. What's left of you? This feeling of living through your children can grow as they mature and start to carve out their own paths in the world. Now is the time to turn your focus inward. The empty nest syndrome is real and can be devastating for women who haven't nurtured their own interests. Women in this transitional phase who find personal activities and goals report significantly higher levels of happiness and purpose. But reclaiming yourself doesn't need to be drastic. A small gesture, like choosing lingerie that makes you feel powerful, can be the starting point for a bigger transformation. When you care about what you wear underneath, that confidence shines through in what you wear on the outside. Choosing the right lingerie goes beyond aesthetics. It's a form of self-care. Women who invest in high-quality intimates feel more connected to their femininity and more confident in social settings. Consider how choosing a supportive bra that enhances your shape can impact your posture, energy, and even your interactions. Have you felt like sensuality has faded over the years while your focus was entirely on your family? By rediscovering pieces that celebrate your body, from structured bras to padded options for special occasions. You reclaim your femininity and the confidence that radiates into every aspect of your life. And the impact doesn't stop there. This change starts in the mirror, but reflects in how you face life's challenges and rediscover the joy of making choices that are, above all, for yourself. Rediscovering dreams and desires. How to become the protagonist of your own life. For years, your routine has been filled with responsibilities, work, and the need to care for those around you. Little by little, the dreams that were once vivid and vibrant have been pushed to the background. When was the last time you allowed yourself to dream without limits? This kind of forgetting isn't uncommon. According to psychologist Carol Dweck from Stanford University, the lack of personal goals contributes to a sense of emotional stagnation, particularly among middle-aged women. You may feel like time has passed too quickly to start something new. It's easy to think that fulfilling dreams is for other people, or that certain desires are just castles in the sand. This belief may limit you, but it doesn't define who you can become now. The time to act is now. Reconnecting with your desires is not only possible, it's essential. The first step? Write down everything you want, without judgment. Take a look at your bedroom. Does it reflect who you are today? Or does it still carry remnants of a youth that no longer aligns with you? Maybe it's a space that doesn't radiate the coziness and sensuality you deserve. Your living environment directly impacts your mental health and self-esteem. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary, not an extension of who you were decades ago. It's not about spending a fortune or overhauling the entire space. Small changes, such as investing in high-quality bedding, warm colors, and details that reflect your maturity, can transform the atmosphere. So, remove elements that no longer tell your current story, and create a space that celebrates who you are today. Many women believe that learning has an expiration date. At 40, 50, or beyond, returning to school may seem intimidating or out of reach. But reality tells a different story. Data from the National Center for Education Statistics shows a consistent increase in adult women enrolling in colleges and technical courses, with 38% citing continued education as a means of personal and professional renewal. So why not explore areas of interest that have always taken a back seat? It could be something practical, like finance, or something that nourishes your soul, like singing or philosophy. The key is to take the first step, research online options, or visit a nearby institution. Every small step reinvigorates your sense of purpose. Have you noticed that some of the most admired women in the world don't try to look younger? Julianne Moore, Kate Blanchett, and Nicole Kidman not only embrace their ages but create an irresistible image by aligning with who they are today. Confidence and self-care in mature women are often more attractive to partners than traits associated with youth. The secret isn't just in appearance, it's in behavior. Study mature women who reflect your energy and style. Observe how they pair outfits, apply makeup, and carry themselves with poise. Use them as inspiration to reinvent your presence. Instead of striving to look younger, invest in becoming the best version of yourself now. This draws attention in an authentic and powerful way. You may have stopped prioritizing your dreams, lost connection with your environment, and felt pressured by the changes of aging. By reconnecting with your desires, adjusting your space, and investing in yourself, you begin to create a life that reflects who you are and what you have today. But the impact goes beyond what you do for yourself. You become a living example of how maturity is a phase of discovery, reinvention, and celebration. A time when you can, at last, be the protagonist of your own story. Now, a crucial question. Do you really know how to identify behaviors that make you appear older than you are? In today's video, we explored how poor choices can impact your elegance and how to turn things around. Posture, self-confidence, and outfits that embrace who you are now, all are essential for making time your ally. But could your daily habits be sabotaging all that effort? Small habits, like gestures, facial expressions, or even how you communicate, may unintentionally send the wrong message. And this has nothing to do with age, but with attitude. So, if you want to dive deeper and discover the 8 behaviors that may be aging you by up to 10 years, the next video is a must-watch. It will open your eyes to mistakes you might be overlooking and help you restore harmony to your image. It's all there, explained step by step, so you can completely transform your presence. One last thought. What will you do with everything you learned today? Elegance isn't about appearances, it's about authenticity. Reflect on what we discussed, embracing your essence with maturity, making choices that elevate your self-esteem, and building a respectful relationship with time. This has happened. You've realized time can be a powerful ally. So choose what reflects the woman you are today. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to leave a like, because here you learn that elegance isn't just about style. It's a lifestyle, and a lucrative one. Comment below. Elegance is attitude with maturity. If you enjoyed the video, I'd love to hear your thoughts. In the pinned comment, I've left links to elegant products I use and recommend. Take a look. You might find something to elevate your presence even more.